Hi everybody, welcome. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to make Lightbox work with Bootstrap, how to install Lightbox in Bootstrap. All right, so let's go ahead and open our code editor. Let me see if I have one here. Give me 1 second. I'm getting another one from one of my other screens here. All right, so we're gonna need a code editor for that. You know that. And we are going to be creating a folder here on our desktop. Let me just do that. If you want to follow me, you can go ahead or just look and then do it. So we're going to call this Lightbox. All right, I'm going to save this file. Now, just let me give you a couple warnings. Not warnings, but you're going to have to download the dark CSS from my website and or whatever style sheet I have for that specific for this plugin, which is going to be a plugin. This is the plugin right here, lightbox.min.js, and I had it in my drive, so you're gonna have to download it from my site too. The link is gonna be in the bottom of this video here, right? Picture, you get your own pictures, all right? But you're gonna be able to download the JavaScript folder and the CSS from my site, all right? So let's go ahead and save this file. Let me just save this to desktop, Lightbox, inside here. I'm gonna save this code index.html. We're gonna make a little structure there for it, and we're gonna link all our bootstrap. So the way we do that is get bootstrap. we I'm gonna do this via CDN, and the reason is because um, I don't want to download those files right now. So I'm going to first link. I'm gonna start from the bottom to the top. All right, JavaScript there. We're gonna get our bootstrap up here. All right, and that's it for that. The next thing we got to do is install jQuery, because bootstrap will not work without jQuery. Some of the things like the modals that we are going to be using, and right here, so we need this code right here. All right, and we're gonna install this right here. All right, so and then we got installed the Lightbox plugin into our folder. All right, so just for you to see it right here. So we got this in the desktop, and I'm going to drag that JavaScript file that you have to download from my website in order for you to have it, unless you find it online somewhere. But and my site would be the appropriate place. All right, so Lightbox, we got that. Let's also get this file right here, dark CSS. That's for to make our backgrounds dark when we execute the plugin. All right, so and we need a picture. All right here. All right, so we're good to go now. For that, we have to link our dark CSS. All right, dark CSS, and we have to link what else? Lightbox right here. So script, and actually, it's not linking, is it? All right. So what was the name of that file? Lightbox .min JS. Well, we're gonna check right now if we are linking. So the way I check that if I'm all my files are linking properly is I open in the browser and I check the source, and then I start checking. I'm gonna right click on it. That's working. If that takes me to a location where the file is at, that's not working. And that is my jQuery. The reason was that's not working is because it doesn't have my HTTP colon refresh. Let's go. There we go. That's working. Let's see the end. Let's see if that's working. Perfect. All right. So that's one way I check all my files. I don't even have to test it with any elements, just to make sure. Okay. So here, what are we gonna do? So let me just open that file again. Sorry guys. And right there in the browser. We got to make a element here, right? We got a picture right here. So we got a picture that we also have to put in there. So how do we create this Lightbox effect? Well, we're gonna create a Lightbox that works with many different pictures. All right, I'm just gonna put one picture, but you can put as many as you want and we'll do the same. I'm gonna create a container here with a class of SM. I think three is enough. And if you know Bootstrap, this is how you do it. All right. And here to activate these Lightbox, we need a anchor tag, and we need to put it to, but we can't leave this by itself. We could if we wanted to, but we want to see some galleries there, right? But first we need to link this to the image. So my BMW is the image that I got there, JPEG, JPG right there. And inside here, I'm gonna put my little thumbnail. This thumbnail, it has the same address, well, the same file name. Refresh. Oh, that picture's huge, but that car is beautiful, isn't it? It's a BMW, by the way. And let's make this responsive. Let's just add a class to of image responsive, img responsive. Let's see how it is now. Is it responsive? It is responsive. I don't even think we have to add that. All right. I always like to do it anyways. All right. So what else? Here. All right. So now we need our code. So let's just write the jQuery because we're gonna need a jQuery for this. Even though there's another implementation when you actually don't need it, but I prefer to do it because I want to be able to have many different pictures here, and when I click on them, they're gonna expand and create a Lightbox effect. All right, so that's the only way I can do it with is with jQuery, and I'm gonna show you this code right here. We're gonna attack the document. Well, when I say attack, I mean target, right? Well, we're gonna create a delegate. We're gonna use a delegate from WordPress. Not WordPress, jQuery. Let me see if I'm spelling it right. Delegate. Yeah, that's the one. And then here we're gonna have some parameter there. We're gonna pass them. So what I want to do is I want to target all my. I'm gonna target three things here. Okay. First, I want to target all my data types, data toggle. All right, just in case I have many of them. You target whatever you want. It's up to you. I'm just targeting all this. And here I want to do it on click, and this is a function very related to the on jQuery. All right, so remember that for those of you that know jQuery. And then here we can also use a function. Right, if I can write it properly, that would be nice. All right, there we go. All right, so now that we wrote the function there, we're gonna have to, okay, event prevent, and just copy this exactly like I'm doing it, prevent default on it, and we are gonna say for any picture that we click on, I want this function to execute, and this function is gonna be echo lightbox. All right, I think I'm writing it right. Lightbox. All right. All right, let me just check. Dun, dun. All right, so I think we're good now. I think we're good. Let's test this baby out. Oops. In the world, refresh. I think my function is not working. The reason is because I need to put that T right there. Jeez. All right, let's go back to it. Right there. Click on it, and it's still not working. Let's check it. Let's check it again. All right, prevent. Ah, jeez. All let's check it. All right, it's still not working. All right, let's double check here that everything is fine. Well, actually, how is it gonna work if it doesn't have a data toggle right here to be activated, guys? Jeez, this is what happens when you don't practice for a while, when you take too many vacations. All right, so we got to call a data toggle here called Lightbox. Yeah, I remember now. It's just I haven't done this in a while. When I did it because when I needed to do it. Right now I just did it because one of my dear subscribers asked he needed help. So I'm giving her or him help. All right, so we see that it works, but huge, right? You can make this as big as you want, but look at that. Boom. Beautiful. And if I make my screen smaller, you can see right here. There we go. That is beautiful, isn't it? That's the light box. Now let's put a title here and um, a description for the picture, right? Because you want somebody to know the picture. So let's right here on this one, I believe. If it's not, we're gonna find out now. We're gonna do the data title for this, and we're gonna call this. I don't know. What do you want to call it? My BMW. I think that's fair, right? BMW, and let's also create a data. What was the name of this? Oh, hold on. It's right here. Sorry, guys. Data footer. It's a footer, I believe. And it's gonna say maybe, hey, website boy, website boy. He's awesome, right? He's awesome. So I'm just gonna take that because I'm not the website boy. I'm the website boy. Even though I'm getting older by the minute. 30 something already. 33, guys. 33. All right. So, well, you don't know. I might be 20. I might be lying. So there we go. So we got our title right there. As you can see it right here. The title and the footer. Nice, right? So, and it gets smaller too, guys. So I mean, I think we did a good job here. IMG responsive should be working there to make things good. If not, maybe this is working here. I don't know. But anyway, I guess you know how to do this. I think we can add a thumbnail. We don't need to do that. We don't need to do that. We are good here. Um, Everything's working. So I hope this was able to help you out. If it did, please like the video. And well, I see you in the next video, right? So take care and have fun. Bye.